Let's learn how to import contacts from Gmail into Zoho Mail. Step 1. First, log in to your Zoho Mail account. From the home page, look to the left panel and select the Contacts option. Step 2. Once the Contacts page opens, scroll to My Contacts. Next to it, you'll see 3 dots. Click on them. From the drop-down list, choose Import. Step 3. You'll now see a new window titled Import Contacts. At the top, you'll notice 2 tabs, Contacts and Import Contacts. Section 1. Where to import. Under Where to import, select the branch and the category you want to import your contacts into. You can choose between My Contacts, All Contacts. Section 2. Upload or choose provider. Next, decide how you want to bring in your contacts. You have 3 options: local file, upload a CSV, LDIF, or VCF file. Note, maximum 5,000 contacts allowed. Google, choose this option to import contacts directly from Gmail. Supports both import and two-way sync. Microsoft, connect your Microsoft account and import your contacts from Outlook or Hotmail. Once you've selected Google, follow the on-screen steps to sign in and give permission for Zoho to access your Gmail contacts. That's it! Your Gmail contacts will now appear in Zoho Mail under the section you selected. And that's how you easily import your Gmail contacts into Zoho Mail.
Your idea deserves a clear path forward. Share your vision with us, and we'll create the next step workflow to help make it a reality. DM us or comment now. We will provide this in 1 hour.